Week 2. Okay, here's the house-ish. Alright, so there's the kitchen to orient yourselves. There's the floor that we picked. I wish it came out better. Anyway, you can kind of see it. This is 3 planks, and what I really like is you really cannot see any seams. Anyway, whoop, little vertigo there. I did scratch it on purpose, but I'll tell you more about that later. So, here's the dining area, and here's the wall that separates, it's got a pass through, as you can see here. And yes, the house is busy, and this is the half wall that's gonna sort of come down and be shortened. And then this is the other wall that goes into the living room that's going to come down, except for the part that we need for the piping for the sink. So here's this kind of tile that we have now that we're going to go over. And then we've got this other tile here. And yes, okay, it's a disaster. I thought about cleaning it up a little bit first, and then I thought, nope. Okay, pay attention to this wall unit, because there's like one guy in the county that can deinstall this and reinstall it. And hopefully he's still working. He's done this for us like 4 times already. And it's our favorite piece of furniture, so we want to make sure that it's protected and that nothing happens to it. If you swing back over here, this is the bar. Yes, it's a spider web-ish for Halloween. But this is the bar with the sink, and we want to preserve having a bar. So I'll go into more detail about what we're planning to do there later. And then last, this is the understair closet. He might shriek. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure if he works. Right now, this is... Oh, yeah, there he goes. That should be the theme music for the remodel. Ah, with the scary doll inside. So this is an understair closet that never got finished. And no, that cat is not hanging the way he looks like he's hanging. He's just hung up. Anyway, we're going to clean this out, sorry granddaughter, and we're going to make this an understair planter. And then the last thing I'll show you today is the stairway that I guess heard us saying that we weren't going to do anything with the stairs right now, and I don't know, got jealous and decided to rip a piece of itself off. So, something else to fix. All right then, see you next time.